What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear watch history on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application and now click on the three dots icon or three lines. Then scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Once you're there, scroll down until you see an option of activity log under your activity section. Then scroll to the left and here you'll see videos or watched option. Tap on it and there goes your watch history. And here all you need to do is click on clear video watch history. Once you do it, your watch history will be deleted. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.